Nope, just right on that one. Yep. Try and get it up here. Oh, here, let mommy help. Right in here. Okay, you're good. Yeah, it takes a bit to absorb. Right here.
Thanks.
Got it? It will. Just give it a second. You probably didn't shake it hard enough. See, it's going brown.
That is.
It's got to be darker and then it lightens. Once that absorbs in, you might want to put more.